should be up and running.
Sweet. I have 2 cameras now. That means I can do some pretty cool things. Like look over at that camera, and there we have a view of not just that one, but also this one. And you see there's more than just what you, the viewer, see, but also the behind the scenes view of it. You know, I'm just experimenting with all this stuff, and I am pretty excited to have this new opportunity. So, stumbling across our old GoPro 5, you know, it's a pretty big game changer. So hopefully having 2 cameras, it's gonna be huge.